welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a special guest. No, put them in there. Okay. Okay. So karon, namumukhaon. So karon ako special guest. Ako special guest. Daran! Da. So karon, ako siyang babasahon. Challenge siya, Bisaya word challenge. Bisaya words challenge. Okay. First word.
Tinahang? No, tinaghang.
Tinoghong. Okay, next. That's what baby's doing right now.
Hello, Otto.
Good.
Isdang tabolong.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I can understand it. By the way,
Well,
wala.
how do you say it right?
Isdang tabudlong. Well, we have accent, okay? Isdang tabudlong.
Isdang
Tabudlong.
tabolong.
Yeah, well, kani siya, wala pa siya kabasa na yung mga words. Pero ano kung kabalo ba siya pagbasa, pero ako ito ang mga aiioo o ba up kaning mga babibibuboy na. Sige.
Tulog og hagonoy.
Good.
Dulogdog og kilat?
Yes. I don't know.
Banag sa
Close the door.
ang gabi.
Yes. That's right.
Sinubang bulad lami kaayo.
Very good.
Guwapa akong asawa.
What does this mean? Well, you know the word guapa, so what does this mean?
Guapa's beautiful.
So,
Beautiful wife.
okay. Say.
Dili ko pala hubog.
Good. Man, you're good.
Otan malunggay.
You like utan malunggay, right?
Mm.
Say, lami
Lami
kaayo.
kaayo.
Okay kayo. Say, okay kayo.
Okay, ra.
Okay, I think we got that. So here, the back. This thing you have it.
Ohang
Hmm?
mo diha.
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 Like, uhong mo diha.
Lechon manok. Ginamos. What's ginamos?
Fermented fish paste.
E.
Lami kayo.
How do you say I really have blood?
Nabulad lang ako.
Nila oy.
Nilaw.
Nila oy.
Yeah. It's a soup. Usually, nilaw is like soup without any, like usually if you don't put soy sauce or coconut milk, it would be nilaw oil.
Baku kang.
Okay.
How you say it?
Bakukang.
Bukakang. Say again.
Bakukang!
Baku kang.
Yes.
Mananangga. Got.
Yeah, manananggot.
Manananggot.
Mm-hmm.
Tukong og palwa.
Say it again.
Takong og wow.
Palwa?
Awa Hand her to me.
Okay. Okay. So another guest. We have another guest. We have another guest. Oh, chiwa daddy. Okay. What is this one?
Kong og hawa.
Very good.
Said it. Payag, payag.
Payag-payag.
Payag, payag.
Ano man ang baby?
Oh.
You got it.
Oh, I'm done.
Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.